In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Windows 10 graphics card. Whether you're looking to upgrade, troubleshoot, or simply satisfy your curiosity about the kind of graphics card your computer is using, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located towards the bottom left corner, and once pressed will bring up the Start menu. The Start menu is your gateway to various applications and settings on your Windows 10 computer. Once the Start menu pops up, you'll want to type in the word RAM into the search bar that appears. This search feature is quite handy for quickly locating system settings and other applications that might not be immediately visible on your desktop. As you start typing, you'll notice that the search is dynamic. Results will begin appearing even before you finish typing. This is part of Windows 10's convenience features aimed at making navigation quick and easy. After typing RAM, you'll see an option labeled View RAM Info. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a window that provides various details about your computer's hardware, including its memory and other system information. This section is a useful tool because it bundles several relevant pieces of information about your system's performance into one accessible place. Once the window is open, direct your attention to the section labeled Graphics Card. Here is where you will find the details about your graphics card, including the name and model of the card in your system. The information presented here is crucial if you're considering a graphics driver update or planning on running software that has specific graphics card requirements. It will also be beneficial if you're engaging in tasks like gaming, video editing, or graphic design, where knowledge about your graphics card can help you understand performance limitations and capabilities. And there you have it, you've successfully found the information about your graphics card on a Windows 10 computer. Knowing how to locate and read this information is especially useful not just for tech enthusiasts, but also for everyday users who want to optimize their system's performance. If you're planning any upgrades or simply need to troubleshoot an issue, this knowledge can be incredibly empowering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.